Hello folks, today I want to talk briefly about our little kiln here that we use for malting barley. So this thing's basically like a top-loading little box that we used to use, and that we put the barley in this thing in little trays and wait for about 24 to 48 hours depending on the case to make it into a malt. Our primary goal of the first test probably will be making pale malt in this. We're planning to go with about 10 pounds or 5 kilograms of malt to load it in. We have here 5 trays that we plan to put the barley in. If we can open this thing, it's kind of like tough to. Okay, so here we have about 5 trays that we use. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, each of them we plan to load about 1 kilo, 2 pounds of green malt after 24 to 48 hours of germination. So I had the little thermometer here, which has a reading about 80 Fahrenheit degrees right now. We've been testing it. It's been turned off for a while now. I'm gonna actually show you how we turn it off and on. So yeah, these are little trays that we have that we can easily like draw them out and put them back in. Also, you do have this little sensor for the thermostat that I'm gonna show out pretty like in 2 minutes. So yeah, so this is it, the inside of it, and in the back actually you can see that when I take this off, I'm just gonna take this out right now. In the back you can see the little fan and the heat generating device. So they turn on and off at the same time, and it's all located, like the connections are located back in the switch. So so close this off. What we also have here, we created this little compartment here. So in order to separate the heated part and basically create like this cool part for the engine to be not heating up so much. So this is the engine in the back. We have all these connections. This is the thermostat. Right now it's set about 55 degrees Celsius, which corresponds to probably about, let's do a simple math, about 120-ish Fahrenheit degrees. So this is some sort of like a switch that we use and turns it on off. Right now, inside degree is about 30 degrees Celsius, and when I turn it on, we probably want to set it up to like 45, and then we just turn the switch on, which starts the little circuit and starts the go on. As I mentioned, the fan and the heater go on at the same time, and then the thermostat basically turns them on and off. So if I were to set this up to like 40, this would turn off the device, or 30 in this case. So I mark it up to like 40 or 45 and say let it just do its work, and it goes on like this. I'm gonna again show like another view from the front. So let's open this again, and this is where this heated air circulation goes on right now, and that's pretty much it. It took us about 2 days to build this thing, about a week to get all the needed materials, and probably in the next few days we're gonna put some barley in this, some green malt, and let the kiln do its work. Right. Thanks for watching. So hope this thing works in the long run. So this was like a little prototype that we had. See ya.